Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a background using pen tool on Adobe Photoshop. So select the pen tool here. I'm just going to do it roughly because it's going to take me forever if I take a long time here, but you're just going to trace over the person here. Again, I'm just doing it really quickly because I don't have the time, and you're just going to select the background here. Oh my god, I can't even see that. Okay, make sure it's an outline and not filled, or else you cannot see the subject. Okay, this is just, again, a rough sketch. Go to the select and then, or just right click here, make selection, press OK, and then just press delete on this layer. I don't know why it made a shape. Let's just delete that one. And that's it. As you can see, remove the background, but again, you'll need to be more precise than I did. It's just going to take a long time if I did it precisely. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.